Number 1. Introducing the 1955 Cadillac DeVille, a stunning example of mid-century American luxury and design. Powered by an 8-cylinder 331 CI V8 engine, this classic sedan offers smooth performance, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 69,549 miles, and its charming blue paint, with a touch of patina, adds character to its vintage appeal. Recent updates include new spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor, ensuring reliable operation. Included in this offer is a second car, a 1955 Fleetwood, ideal for parts or a separate restoration project. Both vehicles come with clean titles, with the Fleetwood available for $3,000 separately or as part of a combined offer. Priced at $8,500 and located in Garden Grove, California, these Cadillacs represent a fantastic opportunity for restoration enthusiasts or collectors. Explore the link for further details. Number 2. Next up is the 1963 Ford Fairlane, a beloved classic that seamlessly blends vintage charm with performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a responsive and enjoyable drive. The car is in good condition and includes a clean title. Recent updates, such as a new water pump, master cylinder, and starter solenoid, ensure it runs, drives, and stops reliably. With its straight body and remnants of a restoration completed in the early 1990s, this Fairlane is perfect for driving as is or serving as a solid platform for a resto-mod project. Registered through May 2025 and located in Lakeside, California, this classic Ford is ready for its next chapter. Don't miss the chance to learn more through the link provided. Number 3. Introducing the 1967 Chevrolet Belair, a beautiful two-door classic with a charming patina finish that tells a story of decades gone by. This Idaho vehicle features a complete interior awaiting upholstery and carpet, and it comes with a rebuilt 2-speed Powerglide transmission. While the car currently lacks an engine, a 1968 327 4-barrel engine is available separately for those ready to complete the drivetrain. The glass is intact, and the car's structural integrity makes it an ideal candidate for restoration. Due to a lost title, it will need to be registered as a hobbyist vehicle, adding an extra step to the project. Priced at $3,750 with the location unknown, this Chevrolet Belair is an exciting opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Click the link to dive into the details. Number 4. Introducing the 1965 Plymouth Commando V8, a rare A-body Mopar with loads of character and potential. Featuring a 273 V8 engine and 904 automatic transmission, this classic car represents an affordable entry into the world of vintage muscle cars. While the engine is currently seized, the original trim remains intact, and the silver exterior still showcases its timeless design. All glass, except for the windshield, is in good condition, and the car comes with a clean title. Rust is present in the rear floors and driver's side quarter panel, but for the right enthusiast, this Plymouth Commando is a rewarding project. Priced at $2,250 and located in Gardena, California, this Mopar is an excellent choice for someone ready to revive a classic. Learn more through the link provided. Number 5. Next up is the 1950 Dodge Coronet, a timeless beauty that captures the elegance of its era. With no rust and plenty of original chrome parts, this black classic serves as a solid foundation for restoration or a collector's dream car. The clean Texas title adds to its appeal, making it a straightforward choice for enthusiasts seeking authenticity and style. Priced at $4,800 and located in Pasadena, Texas, this Dodge Coronet awaits someone ready to preserve or transform its vintage allure. Check the link for the full story. Number 6. Introducing the 1955 Plymouth Plaza, a rare first-year, forward-look Mopar station wagon that carries the distinct design of its era with the iconic fins. This vintage vehicle is in good condition, featuring an 8-cylinder engine, manual transmission with overdrive, and wide whitewall tires. The car has a classic patina that complements its unique design, and despite some rust, its structural integrity is solid, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. Most of the glass is in excellent condition, adding to its appeal. This Plymouth Plaza has the potential to become a stylish cruiser once restored, offering both nostalgia and a glimpse into automotive history. Priced at $5,900 and located in Tucson, Arizona, this is a rare find for classic car enthusiasts. To learn more and explore further details, make sure to visit the link in the description. Number 7. Introducing the 1965 Oldsmobile F85 Cutless, a classic with a twist, styled as a 442 clone with matching badging. This car features a Buick 225 V6 engine and runs and drives, but it does have a transmission leak that will need attention. The Cutless comes with a disc brake conversion, tubular A-arms, and a variety of spare parts, including a 455 engine block, heads, and headers, making it a great option for someone looking to build or restore a muscle car. With a clean title in hand, this F85 Cutless is an excellent project for anyone wanting to get their hands on a classic muscle car with the potential for customization. Priced at $6,500 and located in Bakersfield, California, this car is perfect for someone who appreciates the craftsmanship of classic Oldsmobiles. Full details are available through the link in the description. Number 8. Introducing the 1955 Buick Special, a beautiful V8 powered classic with an automatic transmission. This car runs great and boasts a straight body with no rust, highlighting its strong condition. A new carburetor has been installed, and the car retains its original Idaho title, making it an ideal candidate for someone looking to cruise in style. The clean body and mechanics of this Buick Special make it a standout classic with plenty of potential for anyone seeking a reliable vintage vehicle. Priced at $8,000, the location of this car is unknown, but it's worth exploring if you're in the market for a classic Buick. Check the link in the description for further details. Number 9. Introducing the 1968 Dodge Polaris station wagon, a spacious and versatile classic powered by a 383 big block V8 with automatic transmission. This project car comes with power steering, AC, and reupholstered seats, offering comfort and style. While the engine runs and drives, it will need some fine-tuning and minor repairs to reach its full potential. The car comes with a clean title and included spare parts, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a project car with great potential. Priced at $9,200 and located in San Diego, California, this Dodge Polaris station wagon is a fantastic project for enthusiasts who want a solid base for restoration. To get more details and learn about the car's potential, check out the link in the description. Number 10. Next up is the 1963 Ford Falcon, an excellent condition classic with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. This car has undergone several updates, including new tires, shocks, intake manifold, and a gas tank. It retains all matching numbers, original paperwork, and shows minimal surface rust, showcasing its originality and well-preserved condition. A small rip in the front seat and a need for front-end work are the only minor flaws, making it a perfect choice for original car buffs. Priced at $9,500 and located in Debec, Colorado, this Ford Falcon offers an opportunity for collectors to add an authentic and well-maintained classic to their collection. For more information, explore the details via the link in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1956 Ford F100, a timeless classic that represents the pinnacle of vintage American truck design. With its striking blue exterior, this truck exudes character and charm. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, it offers the foundation for an incredible restoration project. While the truck does not currently run, it boasts an odometer reading of just 10 miles since its last major service or rebuild. The body is in excellent condition, free from rust, making it an exceptional candidate for restoration. Included in the sale are the grille, radiator, and other key components to assist in bringing this truck back to life. With a clean title and located in Huntington Beach, California, this Ford F100 is perfect for enthusiasts looking to revive its enduring legacy. For additional details, make sure to check the link in the description.